What would I do without you?
Done that, been
You just
there.
haven't found the right one.
Dude, I'm
300.
I'm 40, 100 years old. I'm not gonna find a new
3
guy.
points. To be in there getting chased by a crazy psycho killer.
I like those Levi's. Those are nice, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Those are low tops.
Yeah, they're low tops.
Okay, yeah. Oh.
So I've got the Xbox 360. I really don't play this at all. Like, see, look how dusty the damn controllers are. When we running through the field, summertime, born die with the when you put your sheets in the washer and then you put it in the dryer, I'm saying the lint get all over it and stuff. I do not like laying on the lint, nothing like that. So I'm lint rolling it. It's gonna take me a minute, but hey, it's gonna get the job done and I'm gonna feel better. Better. Yeah, making it nice and clean. Man, I'm lint rolling with my opposite hand. Sheesh. I'm glad I don't have a pet. Well, it's not like the pet will be inside my room. No way. I don't play that pet in a room in a bed. Getting fur all over the covers. I don't play that bull. Man, I'm so glad lint rollers was invented. It's the best thing. It's simple. Got a handle with a roller and some sticky paper. Like, it's very, very simple, but very, very useful. Man, you know, lint roll your clothes, get all the lint off, and it's a lifesaver. What would I do without you? What would I do without you? I'll be so lint up. So lint up. Got the winged double, winged F. Fly. So fly. Wanna fly, brother, won't you? Yeah. And your man can't do nothing for you. Can't do nothing. Yeah. These baddies ain't loyal. Whoa. These baddies ain't loyal. Yeah. So right now I'm about to put on this, bam, that polo red. Yeah. Woo. When I got that polo on, I'm Polo DaJuan. That polo smells so good. Woo. Yeah. Fresh. Yo, it's a nice sunny day out here. I like it. Nice out here. Yo, got that fit on. Whew. Black, crazy distress. Flare jeans on. I got this from custom from Coach. I like this, a little nice. You know what I'm saying? My initials with the bat, fresh. And you know what I'm saying? Got the burgundy going on. Got the burgundy combination. Burgundy shirt, burgundy shoes. Fresh. I ain't about to hop in the whip. Head over to Circus. Let's get it. So fly. Skin looking so good too. I'm glowing. All right, let's get it. It's time to go.
Take the Sahara Avenue.
Man, there's traffic over there. I'm glad I didn't have to go on that. Dang, man, traffic time. I'm telling you, Vegas is getting worse with this traffic.
In half a mile, merge.
Inside Circus Hotel right now. About to meet up with Destiny.
I like those Levi's. Those are nice, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Those are low tops.
Yeah, they're low tops.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Those are mean, man.
Yeah, I had some white ones with the green right there.
Yeah, I get the white one. I don't want to do that again. I don't want to get.
Yeah, I know white, man.
Where'd you get those?
Where did I get these? Like Shoe Palace.
Out here, right?
Yeah, it's out here.
All
right, man.
All
right, you too.
Later, man.
Like. Yeah, I'm saying. Checking out the fresh. The drip. Fit check, man. You know what I'm saying? People like the style. People like the shoes, shirt, all that good stuff. It's elevator. I missed my floor. All right, now I gotta figure out which way am I gotta go. 7726. Let me check my other phone, see which way I gotta go. She said room 7748. So you going up or down? 774. Oh, I gotta go this way. Say it that way. All right. It's been a minute since I've seen Destiny. Let's see what she got going on. Yeah. Hey, I haven't been to Circus in. Man, it's been a couple years. Oh, make sure I ain't missing these numbers. 7748. 774. She all the way in the back. Seven, 748. All right, getting closer. What's that one? 7748 right here. Come on.
He's on a lot of stuff. Alien, ancient, alien.
Oh.
A lot of done that.
You just haven't found the right one.
Dude, I'm
300.
I'm 40. 100 years old. I'm not gonna find a
3 point something people in the world. Somebody out there for you.
There better be.
Prince Charming is out there for you.
I'm giving up life, dude. I'm giving it up. I
Don't give up.
There's one guy, but he's dumb as a wood stick.
Crazy.
You already know who it is, though. I'm best friends with him. It's his birthday Sunday, so we're gonna have fun.
Does his name start with a J?
Yep.
Back inside the crib. I was outside a few minutes ago taking some photos in this outfit for the gram. You know, I was looking fresh, so fitted, so I had to take a picture. And right now I'm inside in this spot right here. I just cleared this out because this is gonna be my designated gaming area. I just gotta put a desk and I have a desktop. I already got the games I'm gonna be playing. And yeah, so I'm gonna be over here doing my gaming. I gotta get a green screen too, so I can like pop up on the side of the videos and do my reaction. You know, that's real popular right now, so I gotta get on there. I gotta jump on that real quick, and I'm about to show you what games I got right here. So I've got the Xbox 360. I really don't play this at all. Like, see, look how dusty the damn controllers are. Where's the other controller? Somewhere around here. Then I got the PlayStation 4 with these games. This shit is dusty too, you know. I don't play this. My older brother played this. He be on 2K a lot. You know, he be playing Mortal Kombat, Madden and stuff. But yeah, 64 controller. So, but on my main channel for my gaming, it's just all retro games. I play nothing but retro games. But I might start playing some, you know, newer games like this year, maybe last year, just to have some new games up on the channel. But for the channel right now, it's just all retro games. So if you like retro games, you know what I'm saying, like Sonic's, Super Mario World, Street Fighter, and all that retro style games, you can check it out at Ready Player DaJuan right now. Go like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, and stay tuned. I upload daily on that channel. So you'll always get a new old school game uploaded daily. So go over there and check it out. All right, that's a wrap for this vlog. stay tuned for more videos. I got a lot more videos and like going around Vegas and doing stuff, eating at restaurants. I will be starting a food restaurant channel soon. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Show me some love. And until next time, Flynezz out.